Have you ever wanted to paint, customize, and trick out your ride just like you see on popular TV shows? Well, now you can with industry expert Tony Vandelos as he delves into your most burning questions on auto body to help you clear the clutter so you can easily listen and learn the what's working now strategies in auto body to get the real results that you've always been looking for.
Tonight's goal is to take all the plastic panels off, strip it down. This way we can start sanding and doing a little body work to our pieces and get everything ready for paint. I could put the bike on the side, put a cover on it so we don't get overspray on it. I'm also going to do the wheels. Alright, we're going to redo the wheels. These plastic covers down here, I'm also going to prime them and paint them whatever the color I decide to do the body. I'm thinking of a knife and all that. Alright, front panel is off. This piece was cracked. A nice custom paint job on it. Make it look totally badass. Come on, honey. We sanded out and feathered out all of our scratches on our panels. We even sanded out our stickers that were cleared over with 150 grit. Okay, let's take a look here. All sanded out with 150 grit. 150 is not super rough, okay? It's not gonna really scratch the heck out of your plastics. Here we have a sheet of 400 grit, okay? We're just looking for deep scratches here. We're getting this in here. Okay, you could see the putty fill up the scratches. Right? We're gonna spray a light coat of adhesion promoter on here. Then we could do our. All right, so we got our scratches all filled. If you look in this corner here. Okay, and I can't feel anything because it's basically all filled in.
I found him yesterday and it's a dragonfly, and since he died today, because we don't know what dragonflies eat, but we found out that they eat worms and flies and grasshoppers. So if you're afraid to do it, you don't have to be afraid. It's just being crazy.
And I was going to do a gloss paint job on here, but I ended up getting a little lazy, which is a good thing because it's basically different content for you now. You've heard of Plasti Dip, right? Okay, well anyway, Plasti Dip has been changing recently, and they opened up a whole market because of people using Plasti Dip to paint rims flat black. There's all kinds of colors on it, and now this is brand new. Okay, people usually used to just get the Plasti Dip in cans like this and do their rims, but they rebranded it and called it Flexi Dip now, and it's removable rubber coating, so you could paint it on a glossy surface and it's very, very durable, right? It'll last years. Rock chips won't bother it, power washing won't bother it. You could, basically just clean your rims really good. I would use a wax and grease remover, let it dry, and just put 3-4 coats of this stuff on it. That's all you gotta do. And we're gonna do these moped rims with this stuff, flat black. we got the flames mapped out with fine line tape. Now I got painter's tape, right? And I just covered the area. Now we're going to cut it out with a razor blade. All right, it's simple as that. And then the rest we can mask off later. So let's go ahead and do flames. And then we covered what we don't want painted. Same thing here. All right, so all the yellow.
This is how it's looking. All we got to do now is clear it. It's your first time learning about auto body, or you're into custom painting, or you want to restore your classic. Check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com out right now and get your free 85-page auto body and paint manual plus free training on auto body and paint. I think you're really going to like it. I've been doing this to close to 20 years now. And I want to teach you all about it. It's Tony. Talk soon. Bye.
Another one. Sometimes it's 4 1-to-1. So 4 parts clear coat, 1 part hardener, and 1 part reducer. But we're disregarding this third line because we don't have a 4-1-1. It's just 4-to-1. Red pearl, a touch of gold pearl, and ultra silver mini flake. Man, this is going to be awesome.
Want to learn how to do all this kind of cool stuff on your mopeds or motorcycles or cars or whatever you're working on, check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com right now to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. I think it'll help you out a lot. You're going to get a lot of tips. Plus, you'll be signed up to my newsletter where I give you tons of great information, and free giveaways and just all that kind of cool stuff.
Eyeball it.
Have you ever wanted to paint, customize, and trick out your ride just like you see on popular TV shows? Well, now you can with industry expert Tony Vandelos as he delves into your most burning questions on auto body to help you clear the clutter so you can easily listen and learn the what's working now strategies in auto body to get the real results that you've always been looking for.